Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPad can access Shazam. iOS Up to Date and Control Center contains music recognition. Once added, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap the Shazam icon and it listens immediately. This captures audio from internal or external sources. While it listens, you'll see a pulsing waveform. Make sure volume is on and the song is audible. If you want quicker access later, add the Shazam tile to your primary control center layout now. Once Shazam detects audio, open the Shazam app to review results and metadata. You'll want to grant microphone access for better live detection and enable background listening if you want automatic tagging while other apps run. Tap a result to see artist, album, lyrics, and streaming links. Linking Apple Music lets you preview and add tracks to your library instantly. If you held the Control Center tile for continuous listening, Shazam saves multiple tags in order, so you can clean up duplicates afterward. To complete the process, open My Shazam to review, rename, or share any identified tracks and add favorites to playlists. If a recognition failed, try again with the iPad closer to the sound source or use headphones with Share Audio. That reduces room noise. Make sure Apple Music or Spotify links are enabled if you need previews. If Shazam won't detect anything, toggle microphone permissions, update the Shazam app and iPad software, and restart the device. This resolves most recognition and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.